Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to cook. Now today I am making 7-Up biscuits. Yes, 7-Up biscuits. It has been a while since I have made these. They are so good. Only 4 ingredients. They are super easy, delicious biscuits. So let me show you just how to make them. So you will need 4 cups of a Bisquick mix. Then you'll need 1 cup of sour cream. And then you will need 1 cup of 7-Up. And I'm just going to mix this all together. All right, so next I'm going to take a 9x13 baking dish and I'm going to add 1 stick of butter. And I'm just going to place the butter into the baking dish, pop this into the oven until the butter is melted. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this Bisquick mix down on my counter, because I am going to pour the biscuit mix onto my counter so that I can cut my biscuits. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of the Bisquick right on top. And then I've just got a glass here and I'm going to use that as my biscuit cutter. So my butter has melted in my baking dish, and now I'm just going to place these biscuits right into that melted butter. Now this dough is a little bit wet and sticky, so if you have to sprinkle a little bit extra flour down on top of your work surface or on top of your biscuit dough, then that's okay. All right, so now I'm going to place these in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And now I'm going to clean up my mess. Just look at this pan of biscuits. They are beautiful. Oh. Let me get one out and show you. Which one do I want? Oh yeah, these biscuits are so good. You guys have got to give these a try. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.